shit. Y'all niggas getting too old for this. Please don't think nobody notices. I've been up for way too many days. Y'all sleep enough for me anyway. Y'all don't be doing shit anyway. Y'all are not true to this anyway. We might just get hit with the Rico. Everyone home for the summer, so let's not do nothing illegal. We might just get hit with the Rico. Everyone home for the summer, so let's not do nothing illegal.
I come through my block like I'm Rico. Poppin' no willy, no squilly. Can talk to the cop, that's illegal. I was like more rich porter, no double crossing on my peoples. I take an M to the table and split it with my niggas equal. I'm back on that hard shit. Yeah, that was you bullshit. I'm talking that cross you, that fed you for quarter like Jordan. We back on that bullshit. We came up from nothing, we started on lists. Most money, but now it's the Forbes list. We really was doing shit. I can hear echoes from flats on this beat from informants. I think they recorded. Listen, you hear that?
We might just get hit with the Rico. Everyone home for the summer, so let's not do nothing illegal.